Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. In this video, I will be discussing a common entrance test, that is KCET 2016 question paper. That too, the biology question paper. In a previous video, I have discussed some more question papers of this KCET. So let's not waste the time. Directly we'll start with the questions. So read out the first question. In a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of common characters will increase as we go from. So this is basically regarding the first chapter from first PUC. So the taxonomic hierarchy. So what are all the things we discuss in this taxonomic hierarchy? as we as we know regarding this taxonomic hierarchy, it begins from kingdom. Then phylum, class, order, then family, then genus, then the last one, that is species. Here they are asking the number of characters will increase as we go from. So here in this taxonomic hierarchy, kingdom is the largest here. So if we go from kingdom to downwards, that is to species, the number of characters will goes on increasing. If we go from species to kingdom, the number of character, it will start decreasing. So the right answer for this one will be here, that is, if we go from kingdom to species, the number of characters will start increasing. So 2 is the right answer for this first question, that is, in a taxonomic hierarchy, the number of characters will increase as we go from kingdom to species. So for 1, 2 is the right answer. The next one, read out the next question. Which one of the following statement is correct? So they have given 4 different options. All you need to do is you have to choose the correct statement. So here they have given regarding the uh, pollination. So that is from the chapter sexual reproduction in flowering plants from second PUC, where we have come across 2 different flowers. One is chasmogamous, another one is cleistogamous. So before that, let me write here. So that is chasmogamous, chasmogamous. Another one is cleistogamous. So chasmogamous and cleistogamous. Here, the chasmogamous flower, it is always open, whereas cleistogamous flower, they do not open. They will be always closed. Then here they are asking which type of pollination actually happens in these cleistogamous and chasmogamous flowers. As we all know, if a flower is open, then it can undergo cross pollination, or it can undergo a self-pollination. Here, Chasmogamous flower, it will be always open, whereas Cleistogamous, it is always closed. So it is considered as a closed. So do not open. Let's write it as, so I will write this one as a closed so that it will be easy for you to understand. So here they have given if the flower is open, then this Chasmogamous can undergo self pollination or a cross pollination. But if the flower is closed, it can only undergo, that is, a self pollination. It can undergo only self pollination. So here, if a flower undergoes self pollination, then that will be called as what? Autogamy. If a flower undergo cross pollination, if it undergo cross pollination, then it can be called as what? Xenogamy. So autogamy, or another one we can call it as geitonogamy. Geitonogamy. So here they have given four different statements for this question. Let's read out and choose a right statement among the following. So first one, they have given Chasmogamous flower always exhibit zytonogamy. So Chasmogamous flower always exhibit zytonogamy. This Chasmogamous flower, it will be open. It can undergo autogamy, it can undergo zytonogamy, or it can undergo xenogamy. So there are three different possibilities will be observed in these Chasmogamous, but they have given only one. So this one will be considered as wrong here. Let's read out the second one. Cleistogamous flowers always exhibit autogamy. So this is true here, as this Cleistogamy or Cleistogamous flower, they will be closed always. Due to that, only the possibility, that is self pollination, that to autogamy. So this is the right statement here. Let's read out other two options. Chasmogamous flowers never exhibit autogamy. This is also wrong. This Chasmogamous can undergo three different mode of pollination, that is autogamy, zytonogamy, xenogamy. So here they have mentioned never exhibit. So this one will also be considered wrong here. Then fourth one, Cleistogamous flower exhibit both autogamy and zytonogamy. No, Cleistogamy can only undergo autogamy, not zytonogamy. So here for this question, that is for second one, two, that is second option is the right answer, as they have given Cleistogamous flowers always exhibit autogamy. Then let's discuss the next one. So let's discuss the next one. So next question, that is third question. Read out the third question. E. coli bacteria grew in 15NH4Cl medium for several generations, are allowed to grow in a 14NH4Cl medium. After two generations, the bacteria are isolated from the medium and DNA of bacteria centrifuged in cesium chloride. The result of the density gradient of DNA is. So here they have given regarding the experiment, that is a semi-conservative method. This is basically from the semi-conservative method given by Michelson and Stahl. So this question is basically from a semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication. So here they have given E. coli has been grown on a medium which contains 15 NH4Cl, and this E. coli has been grown on this medium for several generations, and also after some time this one or the bacteria which have been obtained has been allowed to grow on the different media, that is 14NH4Cl medium. Soon after this, after two generations, the bacteria were being isolated from a medium, and the DNA of the bacteria is centrifuged in a cesium chloride. So, what will happen and what is the density that you need to find out here. So, here, so after this one, in this experiment, we will get a hybrid as well as a light DNA. So, this is a right answer for this question. So that is both hybrid and light DNA. So we actually get this hybrid, that is intermediate one, and also we will get a light DNA. So for this one, fourth one is the right answer. So this is basically from a semi-conservative mechanism of DNA replication. So for this question, fourth one is the right answer. Then read out the next one. So, in which type of interactions both the interacting organisms do not live close together? So, this one is basically from day to day life experience where the persons who are really hitting each other, who are really consider both of them as the enemies, where the competition is present, there the organisms they will not be in a close, or they will not interact with one another, and they will do not live close together, or they do not want to live close with them. So those kind of situation will be there in only, that is in case of the competition. Where there is a competition, they will not come across a organism who lives or do not want to live close together. So that is fourth one, that is D, that is competition is the right answer. If there is a competition, then the interacting organism, it will not live close with the next species who is a better competitor. So for fourth, D is the right answer. Then fifth one, facultative absorption of water from primary urine is influenced by the hormone. So facultative absorption, so absorption of water is basically done in the presence of the hormone, that is vasopressin, or we can call it as ADH, that is antidiuretic diuretic hormone. So these hormones are mainly released by the posterior pituitary. So this vasopressin or the ADH, so this will help in the absorption of water from primary urine. So for this question, 3 is the right answer. Next question, that is sixth one. So sixth question, read out the sixth question. In a dithecous anther, each pollen sac contains 1000 mmC, that is megaspore mother cell. or microspore mother cell. So here they have given anther, that will be microspore mother cell. In a dithecous anther, each pollen sac contains 1000 mmC. What is the total number of pollen grains produced by the anther? So they are asking regarding how many pollen grains are produced by this 1000 mmC. As there is a pollen structure, the structure of this structure of pollen grain we know. In this one we have a 4 pollen sacs. Within these pollen sacs, in every pollen sacs we have uh, 4 4 pollen sacs, and in 4 pollen sacs we have these 1000 microspore mother cell. So that will be considered as 4000. So in every pollen sacs there is a production of 4 pollen grains. So due to that 16,000 will be the right answer for this question. So C, our third one is the right answer, because in a dithecous anther we have 4 pollen sacs. In every 4 pollen sacs we have 1000 mmC. They have given 1000 mmC. If these 1000 mmC start producing pollen grains, in every pollen sac we know there is a formation of 4 pollen grains. If you multiply with the 4000 you will get, that is 16,000. 16,000 is the right answer for this question. Then read out the next one, that is seventh question. Identify the correct equation for Hardy-Weinberg law. Hardy-Weinberg law, this is Hardy-Weinberg law, P plus Q equals to 1, or P plus Q whole square equals to 1. So if they give these two, then those will be considered as a correct equation for Hardy-Weinberg law. In this option they have given both the thing, so 1 and 3 is considered as a right answer here. So both 1 and 3. Next, eighth one. So this eighth question, it is from the chapter which has been eliminated by the NCERT, so don't worry about this one. We'll directly go with the next one. In plants, lateral roots arise from. So it is a direct question. These lateral roots, they will arise from this pericycle. So this pericycle takes part in the formation of lateral roots, and also it will take part in the formation of secondary growth in a plants. Secondary growth. Again, this secondary growth concept has been removed. So for this question, in a plant's lateral roots arise from, that is pericycle. So fourth one is the right answer for this question. Then next question. Next question. Find the sequence of binding of following amino acid tRNA complexes during translation to mRNA transcribed by a DNA segment having the base sequence. This one, that is 3' to 5'. They have given the sequence of DNA, but they are asking this amino acid tRNA will bind to which sequence of a mRNA. So let's solve this one. they have given a sequence of DNA. In this sequence, they have given TA, CA, T, GGG, T, CCG. That is 5 prime, 3 prime to 5 prime. They have given. So if we do the transcription, then we will get this sequence of mRNA, that is A, U, G, U, A, C, 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 A, G, G, C. So this is the sequence of mRNA. This is the sequence of DNA. Here they have given uh, the a tRNA with the codons. These codons bind to which sequence? Let's find out with the codons here. Again I will write the tRNA. If they combines here, AUG, U, A, C. For this triplet, A, U, G. For this one, G, G, U. For this one, C, C, G. So C, C, G. So here UAC, second one AUG, third one GGU, fourth one CCG. So this is tRNA. Here they have given the first one UAC, second one AUG, third one GGU, fourth one CCG. So the right answer will be BADC. So B is that is 2 is the right answer for this question. Here we have written very clearly. DNA has this sequence they already given. First you need to write down the mRNA sequence. If you transcribe this DNA, you will get this kind of sequence, that is mRNA. You have to place the complementary base pairs for TA, for AU, because we are writing mRNA. In RNA instead of thymine we have U. So we have written AUG, UAC, CCA, GGC. This is the sequence of mRNA. Again you have to write down the sequence of tRNA. So for this AUG, the anticodon will come, that is UAC, AUG, GGU, CCG. So they have given here. So on this basis, the B is the right answer, that is 2 is the right answer for this question. Let's discuss the next one. Here they have given the match the plant structures given in the column 1 with the plants given in the column 2. So in first one, that is Prothallus microsporophyll Protonema pen. In column 2, bryophytes, pteridophytes, angiosperm, gymnosperm. A prothallus, it is a characteristic feature of what? Pteridophytes. Microsporophyll, it will be seen in case of the gymnosperms. Protonema, it is a characteristic feature of bryophyte. Pen, primary endosperm nucleus, that is angiosperm. So for this one, A, Q, B, S, C, P, D, R. So right answer will be fourth one. A, Q, B, S, C, P, D, R. D is the right answer. That is fourth one is the right answer for this 11th question. Then 12th question, a snow blindness is caused due to, again this question out of syllabus, that is the chapter has been removed. So no need to worry regarding that question. Next question, a person who has allergy, the type of antibody produced in his body is. So which kind of antibody releases during the allergic reaction? That is IgE. So this is the antibody which usually get released during the allergic reaction, that is IgE. 3 is the right answer for this 13th question. Next question, that is 14th one. Elution means. What is elution? Elution, it is a process where we usually observe during the DNA isolation process. So here elution means where we usually cut the DNA and also we extract the DNA bands from agarose gel. So here they have given, that is B, cutting and extraction of DNA bands from agarose gel. So this answer is the right here. So elution means we cut the DNA and also we extract the DNA bands from the agarose gel. So this process is called as elution. For 14th, B is the right answer. Then next question, that is 15th. Edible part of the fruit of apple is. So edible part of the fruit, that is apple, that will be thalamus. So here these apple, strawberry, cashew. So these are the examples of false fruit, false fruit where where the fruit is where the fruit is developed from the thalamus and also the ovary. As we know, the two true fruits, they usually formed from the ovary, but these false fruits, they formed from other parts of the flower, that is from the thalamus. So these fruits are considered as false fruit. For this one, these three are the example. One is strawberry, apple, cashew. So for this 15th, A is the right answer, that is thalamus. This thalamus is the edible part in the apple. So 15, 1 is the right answer. So I will discuss some more questions from the same 2016 CET question paper in the next video. Please follow and support